How to change the app grid layout, as well as show or don't show the label of apps that appear on your lock screen. This is for the Nothing Phone 2, and let's get started. To change these settings, go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen like this right here, and you'll see the option that says Customization, this one right here. Once in this part here, you'll see home screen layout. And as you enter into it, you'll see the app grid. You only have two options. One is the 4 and the other one is the 5. By selecting the 5, you'll get space for more apps that appear on your home screen. As you can see here, as I make the changes, be sure to press apply so that can save. And you also have the option to show the names of the apps that appear to the bottom there. So for example, when I turn this off here, you'll notice there is no words underneath the apps there. And if you want that to show, you can go ahead and re-enable it. You can come back here and change these settings at any given time, like and sub. Thanks for watching.